There. So recording with testing DR60D Mark 1 with splitter, and then yung channel 1 is naka Rode Micro, basta Rode Video Micro Go, and then yung isa is yung Boya BYM1 na fake. So for now, ito yung lavalier mic. Yan, scratch natin. So next is yung Rode. Scratch. Hello, mic test, check 1 2 3. So modulated and low yung voice. So ito yung setup. Yeah. Got 12 o'clock yung knob, and then ito naka S-bus, and then meron siya akong auxiliary patungo sa cellphone, Vivo Y11. So hello, check 1 2 3 4 5. Check 1 2 3 4 5. Check 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, check 1 2 3 4 5. Mas yun. So check, so stop natin. Bye bye. Record. So again, testing. So this is for same DR60D Mark 1. So ngayon naman is yung input is channel 1 and channel 2. So separate sila na knob or port. So yung unang port is merong adapter ng 3.5mm to XLR na kayang magbigay ng phantom power dito sa Rode. So again, yan, magana yan. So yung ano niya dito, yun, naka 1pm. So ito yung Boya BYM1 na fake. Ito. So yun, same pa rin, adapter 3.5mm to PL. So same, naka 1pm din, 1pm, and then yung input module, input level per channel 1 is naka mid, channel 2 is naka mid din. So same, auxiliary, naka bus, auxiliary out to Vivo Y11. So check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3 4 5. Check 1 2 3 4 5. Check 1 2 3, mga 1 ruler yung layo. Check 1 2 3 4 5. Off natin to. Saan yung sweats? Yun, ground loop. Kasi malapit sa cellphone. Lakas ng ground loop. Babi magahatak. Fake Boya BYM1 fake. Yun. Naka-off. Ito, may ground loop. So, nagbibigay ng ground loop yung BYM1 pag naka-off, walang battery. So, yun. So beware, huwag kayong bumili ng fake. So testing lang do. So dapat naka-off. Pag yun. So ito, ulit. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. So yun. And stop recording. Bye bye.